Hey guys, I am here with my awesome new friend Ashley, and we want to talk to you about this marketing bundle that just launched today, where you are going to you're going to be blown away for such a low price for $27. Actually, I'm too excited not to say it. All the different things that you can get access to grow your business. So this is my new friend Ashley. Ashley, say hi to everybody.
Hey, Carrie, how are you today?
I'm so good. So I would love for us to talk to our entrepreneurs and business owners about what is it that you put in into the bundle.
Okay, so what mine is I'm Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I actually put into this Elite Creator Bundle. It's basically a boot camp for Amazon ads. So I know a lot of you sell products on Amazon. A lot of my audience, you guys know that I'm into KDP and books on Amazon. So this specifically looks at books, but the strategies you learn are pretty much for any beginner who is starting ads on Amazon. And honestly, that's my favorite way to do ads as far as if you have a product on Amazon ads, right? It's on the platform, Amazon promotes it, so their ads are going to get the best. You can definitely do Facebook and all those things, but if you're selling something on Amazon, there's no better bet than actually learning Amazon's ad algorithm. And so what I kind of do is I walk you through how to create Amazon ads that actually focus on your audience and are highly targeted. And so that makes them cheaper. I'm really big into, there is some math. Everyone always goes, oh no, math.
Can I pause you for 1 second?
Sure.
Am I the only one who's like thinking that I didn't even know you could do ads on Amazon? So I had no idea. So then your course really is going to help people that have a product on Amazon or a book, since you help so many people help actually get either their books or their journals out on Amazon. This course can really help bring traffic to their Amazon products.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. And it's cheap and it's focused, and that's what I'm teaching. There's a whole bunch to Amazon, like ads, as far as it's huge, man. It's almost unmanageable if you really, for the beginner. So this is really a beginner's course. It's really for that person who's like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how. I've never done an ad. I didn't even know there was ads. So this is really focused on that person.
I love it. This is so good. So for all of my people and Ashley's people, if you have any products on Amazon and you actually want to start seeing return on investment, right? Not just putting your product out there and hoping somebody will buy it.
Crossing your fingers doesn't work.
Right? And so many entrepreneurs do that. So that is just one of how many different, I forget how many offerings are a part of this bundle.
There's over 30 and it's over $2,000 worth of stuff for $27. So if you're looking for like a super deal on like all sorts of things as far as, social media, KDP, there's courses. I think there's like 10 courses or something on there too, right?
So amazing. So if you want to grow your business, this is an awesome bundle. I know we're streaming this all over the place, but it will either be in the link in one of our bios or in the description, so you can gain access, because that is just so cool about Amazon ads.
Okay. Well, and Carrie, I want to know about your product, because I know my audience is going to be super excited about it, because like what they're always saying is, who do I sell my book to? How do I get more people to buy my book? And I honestly think your course can really answer that question. So tell us, what are you offering?
Yes. So the number one, I polled over 500 entrepreneurs recently, and the number one thing that they all told me, actually, hands down, was how do I get more leads, or how do I get more clients, right? To buy whatever it is, their course, their books, their products. And so we are hosting then this is going to be a live class. So you're going to want to get this bundle now so you can be a part of the live class.
Yeah.
We're hosting a 3-day live masterclass with fantastic experts showing how we grew a membership community from literally 0 people to over 600 using text message. We didn't send one email. We didn't write one of those, those lengthy landing pages that seem to go and go and go and go, and just keep going. So we didn't use any of the traditional websites or funnels or emails. Nothing against those modalities, but we only used text message, and the results have been phenomenal, because we treat our clients, I don't know about you, Ashley, like friends and family.
Mhm.
And I don't email my friends and family, I text them. So our show up rate has been huge.
Yeah.
Our client satisfaction has been massive because we make it really easy. We send them a text to whatever it is they need. And in this 3-day masterclass, we're going to show you how you can start creating a community. You'll be able to create it within those 3 days using text message. And then on the 3rd day, we'll show you how to scale it.
I mean, so this is what I think is super cool from my audience. Just imagine you guys like having like we were talking about what kind of products you could really sell with this. So our example was we were talking about like parents with autism or parents who have kids with autism, right? So I don't know, maybe one of you out in the audience has some sort of problem or specific thing like that, but maybe they need coloring books. Maybe they need maze books, maybe whatever it is they need. What you do is you build that audience and then you ask them what they need. And then you create that product, right? You guys have been creating puzzle books and coloring books and all the things we create in low content books, but you just throw it out there on Amazon and hope it sells, right? Ads are good. But what if you could text them and say, hey, my latest coloring book is out there, and people will be like, awesome, I would love that. And they go buy it, right? Yep. That's what I think is super cool about this. It would be really awesome to have a community where you send out a text and, you get, 50 sales or whatever, just instantly, right?
And we're going to show you from start to finish, like how we did it. So just in November, so I don't know when you're watching this, but when we're making this, it's March right now. So at the end of November, it was after Thanksgiving, I was in a hotel room in Austin, Texas at a business conference. We started right there. So in less than 90 days, we were able to not only launch it, grow it, and scale it. Was it messy? Yup, because the first time you do anything new, it is, but that's why we're going to teach you in the class, so it doesn't have to be messy for you. We already found all the hiccups and the fail points, and now we can show you so you can get started, because no matter what industry you're in, first party data is what you want, which means you want to either have the email address, the cell phone, the address. Because how many accounts, Ashley, have you heard of on all the social media platforms that have just they can get shut down overnight? Yeah. And right now I just saw that whole thing again and I don't know if it's true, but that like Congress is trying to stop TikTok again.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, I don't know if that's true. I just kind of.
No, they are. They're trying to stop TikTok. We'll see.
I saw it on somebody's feed. So social media is a tool. It's not your business, right?
Yes.
First party data is your business. And in this class, we are so excited just to show you how to get it. And it's easier than.
Yes. And see, for KDP people, they can really, excuse me, you can lose your account fairly easily. You guys, I know my audience, you guys know that Amazon is a fickle beast. They decide one day that, something that you can't be on there and they kick everybody off. So you've really got to be up to date on that. But what if you had everybody's text messages? Well, then you just take your book, you put it on Lulu, and then you just send it to them. Like you don't have to be beholden to Amazon. You can, even if you lose your account, you can still sell your books to them just via a different vehicle, because Absolutely. Lulu is not public. It's just you put it on there and then you give them the link and they purchase it, and you don't have to deal with Amazon.
Absolutely. And you nailed it. So it's all the tools, like Amazon's a tool, Facebook, Instagram, right? These are tools, but it's not your business. So many people have so much energy on how I can just build that audience and following. And not that it's bad, but build your business and your following on social media will grow. And I just know I've experienced, we just did an experiment, Ashley. Is that good? Balloons.
You got balloons.
Where we saw a data set that said the average person opens a text message in 90 seconds or less. 90 seconds or less. And so we texted our database and went live. Like we within that 90-second frame, we went live just on Facebook in our groups. We use Facebook as a tool, but we texted our audience. In under 90 seconds, we had 300 people on.
Yeah. I mean, Imagine that. Like you guys who watch, my YouTube channel, that I go live pretty often, but it's like 10, 20 people. And I do it the same time every week, or at least I used to, not as much lately. But, even when I was doing it every single week for 2 years, like I'd have 10, 20, 30 people. And, it's amazing to go from like, 0 to like 300 people or 100 people or whatever. Even 20 people is pretty cool when you think about it.
And we planned that. It was actually one of our clients from the Daily Success Call inspired us. She was actually sharing just a story about getting into action, like getting out of this constant mode of I have to prepare, I have to plan, I have to have this process, and just getting right into action. So I encourage you actually to ask yourself this question today. What is something I can like just to get into action? Like just even, it doesn't matter if you don't have a website or anything built. What is something you can do to get into action? Because once you get that momentum going, it's contagious. And so when we did that live, so we sent the one text message, we did a live on Facebook. From that, we had 31 people sign up for this masterclass that we're going to host. 31. So just imagine what you can do. I'm telling you, it's incredible. You want to start building it into your business now.
Yeah, definitely. And I'm totally into getting people's email and, text message. I hadn't really thought of that, but I think that is super cool. And so all of you watching the creator bundle for elite creator bundle for $27, it is totally worth it, right?
Yep.
You for $27 get my course, you get Carrie's course, and you get about $2,000 worth of other people's planners, courses. If you've ever wanted to travel and fund your travel by writing about it, there's a course for that in there, which I think is super cool. And if you ever want to write your own novel, all the things, there's so many cool things in there that you guys.
There's even an AI course. Did you see like the AI? There was a beginner's AI course to create, like this is for everybody who's not techie. It will create your logos and your graphics. And in that course, she teaches you how to. I just can't remember her name right now, but I saw that.
Goldie teaches it. Goldie's the EI course. And honestly, I think that would be awesome alone. Because if you're, we're supposed to do for books branding and all that. You're like, branding, oh my gosh. But yeah, if you know how to have like type a few words and the AI spits it out, you're like, yay, it's done, right? It makes it go from something unsurmountable to something done within a few keystrokes, right? That's just amazing if you ask me.
Totally. It used to take me like days to write out television commercials. I have a TV background. And today I was just in Chat GPT saying this, and we're doing it for the 3-day class. And it gave me like the most epic commercial ever, right? And now we're just going to shoot it later today. But I echo like, to all my audience, seeing this and watching this for $27, even if there's only one thing, like if it's the 3-day class or Ashley's class on how to advertise on Amazon, this is a no-brainer.
It is.
No-brainer. So I urge you, there's got to be either a link in the description or in our bios, or however you're seeing this, you can always DM us. I want that bundle, and we can get you a link.
Yep. Definitely. All right. Anything you want to share with anybody before we leave? Or
I just think the biggest thing is I know that business, you've been wanting to grow it for so long. Like now's the time. And I truly believe if you're saying this, one of these offerings is like that missing piece that you've been craving to absolutely explode your business. So I hope to see you all on the 3-day masterclass. It's going to be incredible.
Yeah, I hope to see you all in my course on Amazon ads. And we hope that you grab this bundle while it is available, because it really is awesome. It's amazing. And it's going to do just one of the courses alone. One of the things is going to be that thing that you can do something amazing and great with. So yeah, grab it and we'll see you in our different courses.
I love it. Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.